Hi there. Today we're going to have a quick look at one of the latest features in Quantlab. Note that you have to have the very latest release 3.1.16.10 with the GUI component 16.02. And using this component, we're going to check a copy-paste feature out that has not been available before. So say, for instance, we have in Quantlab a input vector of numbers that we want to fill with data. And I have created a vector here where we have 6 rows that could be set in completely manually, but we don't want to do that because we have the data somewhere else. And then we want to multiply with a random vector and output this data. So now you can mark from Excel, arrange, copy, and place your data starting with some cell. So by marking the first cell and doing Control V, we get the data from Excel into Quantlab input vector, and we can then use that for further calculations. And as you can see, we didn't fill the last one here. So it will actually, if you have more data than you have cells, it will not expand beyond the cell range. It will just stop and fill the last one and then end. And this is because we don't want you to have a vector that becomes larger than any other vector on the inside and then screwing up your calculations on the inside. And obviously this works equally well when running from a CSV file. So we could copy from a text file and place your data there. And then we have copied our data into the Quantlab. It also actually works if you use points. So regardless of your setting, it will acknowledge points or commas when you go this way into Quantlab. That is the feature that I want to show you. It's brand new, and again, as I said, it's only available in the latest version of Quantlab. So make sure you ask to have the latest stuff installed. Thank you very much.